Now she's inside, set to go now, race number 8. Horses now, they have Super Spicy Kid Benji. Mudslide Slim is running by Drella. Super Spicy Kid Benji now already outside to take the lead. Cats Wriggle. Pamilican Island Mudslide Slim comes next, then followed by the Lady Wins. In between horses, Chevron Enzo entering Kid Benji. The leader by about 2 lengths, Super Spicy, Cats Regal on the outside third. Pamilican Island is racing in fourth. Mudslide Slim in fifth. Then followed the bird on the inside now by the Lady Win, Chevron Enzo entering. And that's still Kid Benji by about 4 lengths. Super Spicy still in second. Here comes Mudslide Slim, Pamilican Island. Cats Regal comes next. The Lady Win, Chevron still second last. Enzo entering. And it's still Kid Benji by about 3 lengths. Here comes Mudslide Slim now in second. Super Spicy in third. Pamilican Island, the Lady Wins. Chevron also moving up with Kid Benji still the leader by about 5 lengths. And in second now is Mudslide Slim, Chevron on the outside, the Lady Wins. As they come down to the last 50 with Kid Benji by about 6 lengths. Mudslide Slim still in second. Chevron running by the Lady Wins. The 75 meters from gate to wire. It's Kid Benji. Second, Mudslide Slim. The Lady Wins. Chevron, Pamilican Island, Super Spicy. Then comes So Endearing, Cats Regal.
Okay, sabi nga ng partner ko, from start to wire, banderang tapos ni Kid Benji, written by Dominador Borbe Jr. Panurin natin paano nanalo dyan si Burnok kay Kid Benji sa ating instant replay.